All right, hey guys, I made $100 in roughly 2 minutes. And the reason it's 2 minutes is because I was actually away from my computer all morning. I was out with another venture that I'm looking into, something I'm going to talk more about here later in the passive income show once I really start talking about passive income a lot more. But anyway, so I was out and about and I came back to my computer and all of a sudden I logged into Thinkorswim, and what happened was the setup was perfect. The setup was perfect. It was exactly what I look for in the market. The 5-minute chart, the 1-minute chart, it all looked good. We had momentum going. And I just executed the trade. I got in, I got out, I felt confident enough so I was able to have a 300 share size. So I made one trade today, $100. Now this is exactly why I'm excited about day trading. Not the gambling aspect of day trading, not the day trading where you just go with your gut or you just think like, oh, I'm gonna make so much money doing this. No, I'm excited about being confident enough in knowing the patterns, knowing the charts that I can sit down, I can wait for that opportunity to present itself and then make the trade. Now, it doesn't always happen like that, and I'm not telling you should day trade at all. I'm just saying that there seems to be patterns that you can use online with day trading, with the information we have today, to make some money. So anyway, if you're into that kind of thing, then stick around. I'm going to explain the trade right here. And if not, then feel free to do whatever it is that you want to do with your day. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the like button if this is something that is interesting to you. So let's get right to it. That's what you're here for. Let's get right to it. All right, so here we are in Thinkorswim, and right now we're looking at the SPY ETF, which is it mirrors the S&P 500. And so overnight we went up to 289 from 278 roughly to 289. So it was a huge jump, a gap up at open, and we opened at 285. So one of two things were going to happen. We were either going to continue that momentum upwards, and we might see a retest, and we still might, of 289, or we were going to see a sell-off during today. So that's what I was going in and anticipating. Now, this was a line of resistance that I drew right here at 276. And so I knew that, looking at the chart, that was something that we might go back down to retest. And so that was the momentum. So anyway, so at open, the momentum was moving back towards that retest. Now the market's only been open it's only 9:25 right now. I got back to my computer about 9 o'clock. And so anyway, so we're looking at the momentum, the trend moving down. And there's a saying in day trading saying, it goes that the trend is your friend. So if you can find the trend, then go with it. Don't fight it. And so that's what happened. So at open, we came down, came back up, and then I actually arrived on the scene right about, it was around 9 o'clock. So that was right here-ish, 9:07. And I saw that we had bounced, we were moving towards VWAP. Once it reached the VWAP and the exponential moving average, I got ready for a break lower. And so I played this break down, and I don't know, I closed somewhere in here. So this was my trade, and just took profits. And so I traded 300 shares on this momentum down off of the VWAP, and it was also a break of a trend line. So I knew it would be a big move down. So we had the convergence of all those things. Look, you can draw the triangle here, and it was the convergence of those things all in one spot. So we had a break of the we had a triangle formation. We had a break of the a breakdown off of the VWAP. We had a breakdown through the moving average on the 1-minute chart, and on the 5-minute chart it looked okay as well. And so come on now. Right, so here we are on the 5-minute chart. I messed up my my charts the other day. I accidentally hit delete, and so it's been a little weird. But here it was right here. Okay, so this huge candle, it broke through the moving average, through the VWAP. This was the candle. So with all those things aligning like that, that was a great setup, and so that's what I traded off of. So we had this trade off of that downward, and that's where I made the $100. So again, doesn't need to be a long video, didn't need to be a long trading day. it's just an example of how if you're patient, if you wait for the right setups, and for me, I was just lucky. I happened to sit down, see the setup, know what I'm looking for, and then execute the trade. That's something that is why day trading is exciting for me personally. I don't recommend you do it. This is not financial advice, but because this is market psychology, we'll call it market sociology. It's based on price. What are people doing? And there seems to be a pattern to that. So if you know the patterns, you can understand what people are doing more. So anyway, that's all for today. I actually have to spend some more time with my family. We're in this quarantine mode where I work from home and my wife now works from home, and we split time, and it's really difficult to do that. So because I was only able to be in here for about, total, after setting up the cameras and everything, about half an hour today, that's a wonderful thing, because now she can get ahead in her job and all of that, and I can spend some time. I'm going to go for a walk with my children, actually. So that's what I'm up to. Again, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. If this is the kind of thing you're into, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share with people that you think could benefit from this stuff, and stick around for my journey as I'm continuing through April to learn how to day trade better and to really publish what I'm learning here to YouTube. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.